Today on In the Box, we will be unboxing the new Galaxy Tab S6. Now, I'm really a fan of the Galaxy tablets. I do feel like they are some of the best tablets in the industry right now, just based on the power that they come with, and even some of the extra features that, even with the stylus pen, that are added by Samsung. So I'm really a fan of them. But let's go ahead and unbox this. So we have the tablet. As you guys know, I do all my videos with one hand. Oh, this feels really heavy. I like when I hold the device and I feel like it does have a little weight to it. So some devices you feel really light, and to me, from experience, usually the lighter devices don't tend to have a lot of power packed into them. But let's take a look. Okay, so we do have the dual camera, the USB Type-C cable, the charging prongs right there, and it looks like the slit on the back cover that we saw is for the stylus. But let's take a look. Yeah, that slit right there, I do believe that's where the stylus is placed. Let's take a look at the stylus. This feels good. It's heavier than the previous models that they have. It does have the flat size with the button there. I like the way this device feels already. And yeah, there you go. It looks like there is a magnetic strip that holds the pen right in place. Now, the tablet does come with a SIM card if you are buying the 4G LTE model of the device. And you know, you could take the internet anywhere that you go with it. We do have a standard fast charging base for the tablet. And what else is in here? I like the way they set up this box. It comes in this little thing right here. Okay, we have the cable. So it is a USB Type-C cable that goes alongside the base that you can also use on your tablet, and I'm pretty sure this functions as a transfer cable as well for your tablet to your computer. I think that's all that was in there. Oh, okay, we have the little, oh wow, there goes the SIM tool. This is what you use in order to pop the tray out for you to be able to install the SIM card inside of the device, because once it's in there, it's not something that just comes out. It is pretty permanent unless something does happen with your SIM card that it does need to be changed. Let's take a look at what books come with it. The start guide. This is typical with T-Mobile phones. Any new T-Mobile phone you get does come with a start guide and a welcome guide, respectively. Is there anything else in there? Yes, there is. So this is probably the warranty, terms and conditions, which is also very typical with T-Mobile devices. Yep, terms and conditions in Spanish. You'll find this with any device that you purchase brand new from the carrier. I'm pretty sure that's all that's in there. So let's move on to the next thing. Here we have, okay, this is the tool that you use to change the tip on your stylus. In case the stylus tip gets worn out, this little metal thing actually pulls the tip out, and there are tips also found in the box. I want to see if there's anything else in there that I missed. Oh, that was it. So make sure you subscribe, share, and continue to tune in. If there's anything you guys would like to see, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.